Welcome to Arrange Wave. We're talking about how to assign track color to clip. All right, so here's a project I'm working on. I have a bunch of different groups right over here labeled, and then a bunch of different tracks, all different colors. I wasn't really paying attention to, keeping things organized, so that's what we're going to do right now. So you're going to go to your track header. You're going to select a color. I'm going with this ugly brown color. And then go down to assign track color to group tracks. And just like that, everything in my effects group, change colors. Here we're going to turn that to pink, do the same thing, and go down the line. I used to go through track by track, changing colors. This will save a ton of time and get your projects looking nice and clean. And this works for single tracks as well. It's not just for groups. So even if you have a bunch of tracks in a row that aren't grouped, if you select them all, go down to assign track color, you'll be good to go. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what we missed and what we should talk about next.